Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. I have to apologize, I have a little bit of a froggy voice. I'm getting out of a cold, so I will try my best. Today I'm going to be making some Christmas holiday thank you cards, and you guys liked the stack, cut, shuffle card so much that I thought I'd use that again and then make a thank you card with that. So I'm going to be using the Honeybee Stamps North Pole paper, and I picked out a couple. I'm going to use this one, and then I think this snowflake one. We might use a snowflake from the Vault Winter Wishes, and I might emboss everything with the Splendid snowflakes from Simon Says Stamped. And I've made 3 white card bases out of accent opaque paper, and I have 3 sheets of Concord and 9th mushroom cardstock, and this measures 4 by 5 1/4. So we need to cut these down to be 5 by 3 1/4. And everything that I use today, I will link in the description box, and I do have affiliate links, and all that means is that if you click on my link and end up making a purchase, I might make a small commission from that at 0 charge to you, and that greatly helps out me and my channel, and I appreciate your support. I'm going to cut these on this Tim Holtz rotary trimmer, because then I can do multiple sheets at once, and it's very good. It can cut through chipboard and all that. I think today I want to do a portrait card. My other ones were landscape, so I'm gonna cut this at 3 3/4. And then I think I was going to use this one. And then this one at 3 3/4. And then at 5. Okay, so now we have this piece, and so you can figure out however you want this to go, however you want to cut it. We're going to do the triangles today. So since we're doing triangles, we needed 3 pieces of paper because we're shuffling through to have one style on each card front. So we need to look at this and see, how do we want to cut this? We could cut it like this and then have one go over there. I think I might do that. So you can cut it however you want. You just want to make sure you keep all the pieces together. I'm just looking at it. Let's see. So you have this one, and set that aside. And then you have this one, and make sure it's stacked up. And you can pick, whichever way you want it to go. I think I want it to go like that. Okay, so now we have all of the pieces. So we have the stack done, we have the cut done, and now we need the shuffle. So what you want to do is keep one pile like this. Then the next one, you take the top one and put it to the back, and then put that here. And then this pile, you put 2 to the back, or you can just put the bottom one on the top. So there you have 3 different patterns on the front of your card. So what I like to do is then I will take the top layer and I'll make little sandwiches, or I don't know what you want to call it. But I get everything set so I have all my layers together. Okay. So now we have this, and I'm going to use my glue press to glue these. But you can move these off. And using glue will give you a little bit more wiggle time when you're putting on the pieces. And you want to make sure especially to get in the corners. I like to start with the biggest piece because then you can really, you know, make sure that the corners are even. Okay. So then you have your next piece. And you can either leave a space, like a margin, or you can stick them together. And because I'm going to emboss today, I'm going to stick these together. Okay, so now we have our final piece on there, so we have our complete front for one of them. So I will put these other 2 together and then show you what I'm going to do next. Alright, we have these finished, and then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run them through this embossing folder. I think it'll add some really cool texture to it. Let me get this done, I'll be right back. Alright, so I cut out these snowflakes from the Vault set, Vault Winter Wishes, and I used the Concord and 9th Neutrals glitter, and I used the pearl glitter for that. And then I used these, it's a thanks with a shadow and the word, and I cut out the shadow from a piece of the that same paper as this, and then the thanks I just cut out of white, but I did back it with double-sided adhesive so I could just peel it and stick it right onto here. So that made it a little bit easier. Alright, let's get these cards put together. I think I was thinking to have it kind of like this. This we could do probably foam tape. Alright, well let's get the snowflakes on anyway. I have the scrapbook.com foam tape, and it's really skinny and it doesn't have too much of a loft. Alright, so we have our card fronts done. Now I just need to put them on the card bases. I think that looks so pretty. There we have our first one. Looks so pretty. Alright, and there you have it. We have our stack, cut, shuffle, triangle edition, also portrait edition. Super easy holiday thank you cards. This looks really nice, elegant, beautiful, and so easy to make. So anyway, yeah, I think we're all set. So if you like this video today, I would love it if you could subscribe and hit that button. That would be amazing to support my channel and help me grow. Check me out over on Facebook. I post videos, cards, and any crafty sales I come across, which is a good resource to you. Again, I'll list everything in the description box that I used. Yeah, like, subscribe, and all that jazz. And until next time, take care.